What does it mean to be college and career ready? It means that out of high school, your student will be able to both work and be ready to go to college. And that is an opportunity that the Welding Pathway at Colton High School provides. Welding students will go as a cohort with the same math and English teacher and will work their way through a possible 4-year program that at the end will gain them college credit. So if your student is interested in welding and the trades and wants to have gainful employment or free college credit by the end of his or her high school career, I would recommend the Welding Pathway. I'd like you to listen now to some of the experiences that welding students in the pathway have had, and so you can hear how it has affected their lives in a positive way.
The Welding Pathway is about preparing for college, getting options out of high school, and understanding hot work and welding. It has made a difference for me by giving me more reasons to keep my grades up and try harder in school. To get into the pathway, you want to have good grades, trying out electives in middle school that have a relevance or might get you in, and talking to your counselor whenever you have the chance to.
Now that you know what a welding pathway can do for you, one of the ways you could go into a pathway is in high school. You choose what elective you want to do. It's basically a career opportunity you can take throughout 9th and 12th grade.